Students, I, Sushma Kataria from Surya School Bhiwadi, and today in this video we'll discuss about 8th class grammar topic named conjunction. So conjunctions are usually can be considered as connectors or linkers. So let's discuss about the definition of it. So the definition of a conjunction is a word used to join the words, phrases, clauses or sentences together. Clear? Again, a conjunction is a word used to join words, phrases, clauses or sentence. So these are the words which used to join two or more sentences, two or more phrases, two or more clauses, two or more words is called conjunction. I hope समझ में आ गया होगा आपको. सो अगर सिंपल शब्दों में देखें, कंजक्शन वो शब्द है जो शब्दों के समूह, वाक्यांश, उपवाक्यों या वाक्यों को जोड़ता है. सो these are the conjunctions which we can use in our daily routine life, and but, because, if, when, while, until, so, otherwise, therefore, although, still, as, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also, that, both, and, as if, unless, whether, where, as well as, yet, though, etc. So these are the conjunction we use in our daily, you can say, in our grammar. Clear? So let's move forward. So first of all, today we in this video will discuss about the coordinate conjunctions. So what is the coordinate conjunctions are the types of coordinate conjunction are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So basically, in a way to learn this more thoroughly, so what we can, the fanboy is the exact word to learn it in a proper way. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. So if you're trying to learn the coordinate conjunction, sometimes the question can be there, fill the blanks with the coordinate conjunction. So these are the words which you can easily learn what kind of coordinate conjunctions you have in your grammar. So for fanboy is a simple way word, or it is a way to remember it. Clear, guys? So let's discuss about the definition of it. Coordinate conjunctions always come between the words or phrases or clauses that they join. Clear? So the coordinate conjunction always come between. It doesn't necessary that all the time conjunction come in between. Okay, I'm not talking about the coordinate conjunction. I'm just talking about the overall conjunction. Conjunction can be in the very starting of the sentence. Conjunction can be in the middle of the sentence. Conjunction can be in the almost before the last two words. So sometimes it cannot be. The coordinate conjunctions are the conjunctions which come in between the sentences. So first we have the first example. We took out umbrellas from the loft for it is rainy season. So we have these two sentences. We took out the umbrella from the loft, it is rainy season, and by which word we connected this is for. So for is the conjunction in this sentence. We took out the umbrella from the loft. Reason here for is giving some kind of reasons why we did the for. It is rainy season, so for is used as a conjunction. Next is, my brother wants to be a writer and a scientist. Clear? My brother wants to be a writer and a scientist. Both the qualities, and is used to show some kind of both qualities, and the two different sentences and two different words can be connected with the word and. Next, my father does not get angry at me, nor does my mother. That means nor is used when some kind of, if the word is adverb is not is given in this in a sentence, then sometimes nor follows it. Clear? But nor can also be used if you are comparing, if you are saying that ना कि ये, ना वो भी नहीं और ये भी नहीं। तो मेरे फादर भी मुझसे गुस्सा नहीं करेंगे, मेरी मदर भी मुझको गुस्सा नहीं करेंगी। क्लियर? सो नोर इज़ यूज्ड एज अ कनेक्शन conjunction with to these sentences. Does my mother and my father does not get angry at me. We want to the theater, and but where we can use the but word we show where some kind of contrast that means opposite element. We went to the theater, वो लोग theater गए, but we could not get ticket. That means they went to theater but they don't watch movie, they are not able to watch the movie. So some contrast, that means some opposite kind of things were happening. They go to theater but they are not able to watch the movie, so opposite things are there. So in this situation we use the word but as a conjunction. Next, be there on time. Or is used to show some kind of choices, or you will miss this bus. One more thing can be, you can be a dancer or a musician. So or word is to be used to show some kind of choices to you. I was upset with my brother, yet I helped him with his project. He was upset with his brother, yet even though he helped him. That again in this sentence he was showing some kind of negative element as well, plus some kind of contrast. I was upset with my brother, yet I helped him in his project. I had not done my homework, so because of this reason. In this so is used to show some kind of reasons why that kind of things were done. I have not done my homework, so I apologize to my teacher. So is used to showing some kind of reasons why the other sentence are connected. Other sentence में जो एक reason properly आप देते हैं, तो so is used to show some kind of connection in it. So there are some important conjunction which you usually and we learn it in our next video. I hope you understand that. Please note down all the sentences, please note down all the things in your fair notebook.